वेलकम।
एंड लास्ट टाइम हम लोगों ने फ्लेक्स बॉक्स की बात करी थी एंड आई टोल्ड दैट वी विल टॉक अबाउट ग्रिड बट टुडे वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू दैट बिकॉज टुडे आई विल कीप द वीडियो शॉर्ट एंड टॉक अबाउट some of the missing properties that I have not talked about, and they will come in handy with you for you if you are making your websites, and if you are working as a freelancer or thinking of doing it, then do visit fiverr.com and try starting doing some freelance work. But for now, let's talk about our CSS that we are going to do today. And we are going to run the basic.cs HTML, and we will see how some of the properties are different here. And yeah, we will apply some of the CSS also here. And so today, first we will talk about text decoration. I guess I have not. Oh, I have. We have done that. Okay, no problem. But this is a also I would say a web yeah, a link. Okay, so no worries, text decoration is basically very simple. We can see that there would be a Google and it is not underlined, and we will give a margin bottom here so that I can see a gap because I'm not able to see it. Come on, image, go down. I need to save. Mm, okay, what? I see a gap and I'm not seeing a gap. Why is it that happening? Mm, no worries, we can give the image tag as some margin. I guess it is writing somewhere, I'm not sure where. img tag है ना. We have not img used img, right? So एक काम करते हैं, सिंपल img tag लिखते हैं and we will give it a margin. Okay, so 10 pixel का देते हैं and it will shift the image probably. See, right? Now what we have to do is for the uh, link, that is anchor tag, what we can do is we can put it here because it is a link. So we can do give cursor as pointer. So what will it do? Will give you instead of an arrow as a pointer. So this is what we call a pointer, and this is very important because there are some of the links that have to showcase in the web page if you miss the css. Okay, because if it is not coming as a link and you hover and see that it is a showing as a pointer, then you might click on it. But what if it is not showing as a link or anything? There can be an image that needs to be linked to another web page, so that would be very helpful. Other than that, we have some of the properties that we use with the anchor tag, that is no, not before or after or anything, but we will see over. What will I do? So should change the color, I would say, of that particular tag, and it should make that black. Okay, so when I hover over this, see, it is changing to black. What if it was already visited? Okay, so visited is one of the other uh, properties for the links, and visited with change of give the display as none. So okay, what will happen is if we click on it and go back there, okay, it should not come like this. I guess I made something different. Visit here, go back, display none is not working. Okay, no worries, let's try something else because I have not like given or seen visited as one of the I would say properties being used with color as one of the property can be used with visited, but display none I think I have not used anywhere, so maybe I am wrong. It can happen, guys. I also like find like that only. So yeah, you can see that Google is coming as red. Why? Because we already visited this website. And if we had not visited it, then it would have been, I would say, which color? It was coming in blue. right? Now, other than this, the most important part was we talk about yeah, this. So this is called box model, and box model is very important. Okay, not this. So box model is basically understanding of how the element and the CSS is working here. And if we see like if we want to select an element, it we can select it easily. That is not a big thing. But we have to understand like how margin or padding is working in this CSS, and how we are selecting the element. Basically, what you will see is that this inner part, the innermost part, this is called the element. Okay, this represent the element. The outer part, this represents the padding. So basically we have not entered any padding here, but what if we try and see if there is any padding in inside form. It is okay. So let's select the form from this arrow. Okay, you can select the form here like this, and when you go into the element, it is showing you the form. If you click on the hover over the padding, it will show you this. Then we select the border, we see that hover over the border and border is coming, and then we can see the margin. So box model is very important to understand how you are giving the padding, margin and the border. It starts from the inside and goes toward the outside. So margin is at the outermost, it is given from outside, but padding is given from the inside to the element, and border is basically in between those. And so for this you have to like remember every time that it is that the margin and the padding are coming very much into the precision as the elements that you are placing in your web page, because in future we are not going to be doing a CSS or HTML like this. We are going to make a proper web page, and it could be any kind of a website. So if you want or have any ideas, you can just comment on the this video, and we can see if we are making the website for that particular idea. Let's see.